With regards to the dangers of overtaking, what we're covering in this video is where a vehicle enters the main lane from a side road during the process of another vehicle overtaking. Let's have a look at the animation and it will become evident where the danger is. So quite clear that the red vehicle that started overtaking looked as though the opposite lane was clear. Vehicle entering from the side road now forms an obstacle and results in a head-on collision. Real-life clip depicting this. We have a vehicle in the process of overtaking. Looks as though the path is clear. We get to this point. It should be evident to the camera that there's a vehicle now wanting to enter from a side road. And for the camera on his part, he cannot assume that the driver of this vehicle will have seen him, and so thinks that he can proceed safely. Rather, to be cautious, and there is a gap on his side of the road, to re-enter that gap, stay on his side of the road just in case the driver decides to pull out into the main lane. And that's exactly what takes place in this clip. Just to repeat the point then, when we're in the process of overtaking, just be cautious if there are any side roads, and they may be concealed, so may not be visible or evident, but be aware of any vehicles that would be on the side of the main lane wanting to enter into the main lane. So not just to look straight ahead, but to widen one's angle of vision, to take in what's happening just to the side of your direct line of sight. And to be cautious then, make sure that if a vehicle should suddenly enter into your path, that you do have the space to be able to re-enter the gap on your side of the road again. In the next real-life clip, what we want to show in this particular clip is that the danger doesn't only come from the side of the road where the vehicle is overtaking, but could come from the opposite side of the road, and in fact is more of a danger from the opposite side of the road, because the visibility of that vehicle, both from the vehicle's perspective that's overtaking, as well as the vehicle entering from the side road, the visibility of each vehicle from the other is hidden or blocked by these interceding vehicles. The last clip that I'm including is to show that where there's a line of vehicles, and so we'll just advance the video to show you. There's a whole line of vehicles waiting, traveling slowly, and so you'll always find in a scenario such as this that you'll have some wise guy at the back pulling out in order to overtake and bypass that whole line of traffic. So for any vehicles entering from the side road, they've got to be cautious when they see a line of traffic like this and wanting to enter from the side road into the main lane, that there's a great chance there is going to be that person coming down the empty lane.
Please like, subscribe, and get notified.